You are going to love the 2022 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.